How to buy Bitcoin on Binance app. Firstly, open up the Binance app and log into your account. Once you've logged into your Binance account, make sure your account is verified because you need to be verified before you make any purchase or trade on Binance. So make sure your account is verified. To verify, simply click on your profile here on your top left. Click on your profile and then click on your profile icon here, and then you'll get to the account center. You will see verification option there. Click on verification and then just complete your verification by providing your ID, and you'll be verified within few minutes. Once you're verified, then to buy Bitcoin, simply click on the trade option here on your app. So on your middle, click the trade option and you'll have this option here, buy crypto. Simply select buy crypto, and then when you get to buy crypto here, now choose the crypto, so which is Bitcoin in this case. So select Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, now you enter the amount for how much you want to buy the Bitcoin for. So so for example, I'll put 100. I'm going to you pay with 100 US dollars. So make sure the currency is US dollars because my account is in US dollars. I'm going to pay in US dollars. So select the amount, and then what you're going to do, click on select payment method. So if you have not selected a payment method, you'll get to this screen here. So now simply choose how you want to make the payment. So you can either make through card or any other payment. So this option varies according to your location. So select one, click on confirm, and that's it. Complete the transaction. And that's how you buy Bitcoin on Binance. It's pretty easy and straightforward to do so. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.